चले जी बिस्मिल्लाह करते हैं अल्लाह के नाम से. We start with the name of Allah, the most magnificent and most merciful. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Safirul Haq. We will start with Tilawat Quran Pak. I would like to invite Qari Muhammad Ayasa for the recitation of Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
चार्जर दे दो सोनी का.
وأن ليس للإنسان إلا ما سعى وأن سعيه سوف يرى ثم يجزاه الجزاء الأوفى. ثم يجزاه الجزاء الأوفى وأن إلى ربك المنتهى. وأن إلى ربك المنتهى. صدق الله العظيم. अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू है जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम करने वाला है. इंसान को वही कुछ मिलता है जिसकी वो कोशिश करता है, और ये कि अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त उसकी कोशिश को देखता है, उसकी कोशिश अनकरीब देखी जाएगी, फिर उस कोशिश का उसे भरपूर बदला अता किया जाएगा. और ये कि बेशक तुझे अपने रब ही की तरफ लौटना है, वही इस दुनिया से बेहतर जज़ा आखिरत में अता फरमाएगा. वमा अलैया इल्लल बलागुल मुबीन.
Jazakumullah khair, Qari Sahib. Now I would like to request all the guests to stand up for the national anthem. National anthem, please. Good evening and Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Safirul Haq. I'm the Honorary Coordinator for Strategic Alliances and Partnerships at the Global Entrepreneurship Network in Pakistan. Also the Director of Ijad Labs for Karachi region. Over the past few years, we have made significant strides in advancing the tech ecosystem in Pakistan, and I'm glad to stand here and witness its impact in Karachi. One of the most notable milestones took place right here at the Governor House, where Yango Karachi was officially launched by the Governor himself just 1 year ago. Today, Yango serves thousands of Karachi residents, meeting their travel needs, and we at Ijad Labs take immense pride in being instrumental in bringing Yango and many other companies to Pakistan. Tonight, we gather once again at yet another forum to foster technology leadership. It's time for our tech ecosystem to step up, to lead with purpose, and to drive positive change. In something our country desperately needs. Just like many forums we have hosted in cities across Pakistan, today's event is about building consensus on the future of our technology sector and shaping the path forward. Together, we create the leadership of our tech industry which is required. Now, I would like to request for a video introduction for FutureFest. We have been having FutureFest event for last 3 years in Pakistan. So let's have a video introduction for the FutureFest. Please.
मेरे लिए बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि मैं फ्यूचर फेस्ट के मंदूबीन और जो लोग आए हैं फ्यूचर फेस्ट को देखने के लिए उनसे मैं अपनी गुफ्तगू करूं.
Welcome to Future Fest of 2024.
So I believe that this is one of the great events that Arzish is putting together with the team of Ijad Lab.
I would first of all like to thank and congratulate the team of Future Fest who have been able to bring all the tech stakeholders on this very platform today.
So my experience here at the whole Future Fest has been phenomenal.
Future Fest is amazing. We see a lot of companies, a diverse type of audience, very interesting conversation we had, and meetings we had also with many companies.
In terms of why I'm here, I'm the host of Future Fest. I'm so excited. I've met so many incredible people, but I didn't quite expect Pakistan to be so beautiful.
Future Fest is not an event. This is a movement. A movement for the future of this country. A movement for you, a movement for technology, and to celebrate everything good that this brings for our economy.
पाकिस्तान की टॉप कंपनीज को यहाँ पे इकट्ठा किया गया है और वो यहाँ पे मुख्तलिफ लोगों को सॉल्यूशंस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटीज प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं.
The most wonderful event that we've ever done. I think there is no other event in Pakistan that has done music, education, master classes, expo, B2B sessions in parallel for continuously 3 days, along with at least 5 side activities and so many things happening. Guests from more than 50 countries, 300,000 people attended over the past 3 days at Expo Center Lahore, and I think this wouldn't have been possible without the amazing team that has brought this together and the community that joined hands and came in from across the country and across the world.
I'm proud to report that FutureFest has established itself as one of the world's largest tech events, hosting 300,000 people at Expo Center Lahore. You are cordially invited to join us at FutureFest 2025 on January 24 to 26 in Lahore, inshallah.